Hello friends, this is Yana from Yana's Crochet. I want to thank you all for watching my videos and I hope you enjoy it. I want to ask you to please like, share, subscribe and comment on the videos because it helps have my videos shown to more people who hopefully also can enjoy them and find something useful. Today we're going to be making this beautiful granny square. You can make it with one solid color, going to be just equally as beautiful, or you can choose 3 different colors as I did here, and of course you can use any color you want. So let's get started. So let's start our granny square with a magic circle. Once you have the circle, chain 4. Then do a double crochet in the magic circle and chain 1. Double crochet, chain 1. And to complete our first round, we are going to do that 6 more times. So double crochet, chain 1, and at the end we are going to have 8 stitches. So at the end of first round, you have 8 double crochets with a chain 1 after each one. Your first chain 4 counts as your first double crochet and chain 1. So now as you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches, you can tighten up your magic ring. Okay. And slip stitch in the your third chain, and your first round is finished. To start the second round, we're going to single crochet in your first chain 1 space. And in the next chain 1 space, we're going to put 7 double crochets. Okay, and now single crochet in the next chain 1 space, and then we're going to repeat the same pattern. So 7 double crochets in the next space, and single crochet. Okay, now do that 2 more times. So in the next chain 1 space, you're going to put 7 double crochets, then 1 single crochet in the next, 7 double crochets in the next, and I'll meet you at the end. So this is what you're going to have at the end of second row. 4 little petals like this with the single crochets in between. Here, we're going to finish working with this color yarn. We're going to change the color in the next round. So what we're going to do is take your hook out, insert it here right before your single crochet from the back. Make sure your working yarn is in the back, and we're going to grab this loop and bring it back. That just makes the seam a little neater. Okay, and here chain 2, so you can just close it out. You can cut the yarn and tie it up, and here's what you have. Okay, to start our third row, take your new color, and we're going to start at any of the single crochet stitches around. So let's say I'm going to start in this one. I like to go in, instead of going in the stitch, go right here in the middle in the post. I think it looks a little better that way. I like to make sure it goes through all the way. Okay, grab your new yarn. Okay, for this round, we're going to chain 5. Right there in the same stitch, we're going to double crochet. Chain 3. Double crochet. Chain 2 and double crochet. And this is what you're going to end up with. After that, chain 5. And then we're going to put the same cluster in the next single crochet. We're going to put the same cluster again. So we're going to start with a double crochet. Chain 2. Double crochet. Chain 3. Double crochet. Chain 2 and double crochet. Okay, so this is what we have, and then we are going to repeat it 2 more times right here. So we're going to chain 5, then in here we're going to put a cluster, which is going to be double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. We're going to have 4 double crochets with chain 2, chain 3, and chain 2 in between. So from here on now, chain 5, in a single crochet cluster, chain 5, another cluster, and chain 5, and I'll meet you at the end over here. So I'm here at the end of this round, and we are going to slip stitch here at the top of the 3rd chain. Okay, for the next round, I like to slip stitch into the space because that's where we're going to be putting another cluster. So it makes it look a little neater when you start there. Okay, slip stitch and now chain 3. And then put 6 small double crochets in that space, same space. Okay, single crochet in the next space and another cluster of 7 double crochets in the next. Okay, so this is what you would have. 7 double crochets, 1 single, another 7. Here we're going to put a single crochet in your 4th double crochet, so right in the middle. So just like that. And then we are going to repeat the same pattern. We're going to put 7 double crochets here, 1 single here, 7 double here, 1 single crochet here right in the middle or in your 4th double crochet, and keep repeating. 7 doubles, single, 7 doubles, single right here, and until we go all the way around. Okay, so now you've finished with this round, and this is what you have. Now let's slip stitch to the chain 3 in the beginning, chain 2 just to close it off, and we are done with that color. And now we're going to start a 3rd color, assuming you're using 3. And just like in previous rounds, you're going to start in one of the single crochets, just right through the middle, attach the new color, and chain 5. And double crochet in the same stitch. So we've made a V stitch. So let's chain 5. And into our next single crochet, we're gonna put a cluster. So just like in the round 3, so it's going to be a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, and end with a double crochet. So this is going to be our little pattern. So now we're going to chain 5 again, and we're going to do a V-stitch in this. So that's going to be a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in the same stitch. So this is what you're going to be repeating. Your V stitches are going to go in those single crochets, and the clusters are going to go in these. So you're going to chain 5, then here you're going to put a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 5 again, and then double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, makes a V stitch, and then chain 5 again. So you are repeating this pattern. Okay, at the end you want to slip stitch to the beginning chain. So this is what you should have at the end of this round. It's starting to take shape, looking good. Okay. So for the next and final round, let's slip stitch inside the V stitch, and then chain 3 and put 6 small double crochets in the same space. So you're gonna have 7 stitches. And then we need to put a single crochet here right in the middle of that big cluster, so in your 4th double crochet, just where the middle is. And then we're gonna put another 7 double crochets in this space, so the next space opening. Okay, so you finish the cluster and then single crochet in the next space, and again a cluster of 7 double crochets. And again a single crochet in the middle of this big cluster, so in the 4th stitch, and then we're going to repeat the pattern, putting 7 double crochets, single crochet, 7 double crochets, single crochet, 7 doubles, single, 7 doubles, single, 7 doubles, single, 7 doubles, single, 7 doubles, and all the way around, all the way to the end. So at the end, we're going to slip stitch again to the starting chain, and I forgot to do it in the last round, but go from the back to have a more of a seamless join. And that's it, and your square is done. You can hide all the ends on the back, and this is what you have. Very nice looking and interesting square. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, and thank you very much.